structure. When it gets really cold, that water turns to ice. And what do you know about ice compared to water and the size and things? Yeah, Jess?
Ice is like bigger than...
Yeah, so it's going to form ice crystals and weaken the cell bonds, isn't it, a little bit, okay? So it breaks up very easily. Banana, that's got a lot of water, nice and squidgy, yeah? Okay, I'm going to stick a banana in. I'll probably put a bit of a banana in. Okay, and we'll put a bit more on because it's boiling away quite quickly. Okay. So that banana's getting really, really cold. Somebody's already said that they've seen the banana turn into a hammer. Was that Peter? Was it you that said a banana turned into a hammer? It feels pretty hard. Okay. I don't know whether I've never actually seen you be able to hammer with a banana, but pretty hard, yeah? Not your squidgy banana that it was like before you put it in. So let's see what else I've got. I've never done this one before. Have you done this?
What's that one?
Just with washing up liquid. Don't know quite how mad it will go, but we'll see. Okay, so there's washing up liquid in that beaker, and I'm going to pour in a bit of liquid nitrogen. Oops. A few bubbles. No, not that impressive. Okay, what is that? What's the froth that you can see? So the fuzziness. Yeah.
Bubbles of nitrogen.
It's not bubbles of nitrogen, but a lot of people think that that's what it might be. Anybody else got any ideas? Okay, so what else is in the air? Oxygen. What else have I got in the air? Yeah.
Actually, no, it doesn't matter.
Carbon dioxide, yeah. And somebody told me one other gas that was in the air. Yeah.
Argon.
There is a bit of argon, yeah, but this is something that's variable depending on whether you're in a desert, somewhere dry, or yeah. Water vapour, okay? And I think often what you can see is the water condensing, and that's what gives you this kind of mysterious foamy look, okay? So, who's got a lot of puff? Me. Do you reckon you can blow them? You don't have to blow it up a long way. Put your goggles on, please.
How much?
Just blow it up. That's enough, yeah, because I need to be able to fit it in there. One breath. Okay, so who can predict what they're going to see happen when I put the balloon in my liquid nitrogen? Yeah. It's going to go hard, do you think? Yeah.
It might burst.
It might burst. Any other ideas? Yeah.
The air inside it might turn slightly liquidy.
Okay, so we've got 3 predictions there. It's going to go hard. It might burst. Thank you very much. The air inside it might turn liquidy. If the air turns liquidy, what's going to happen to the balloon? The size of the balloon? Think about what you might expect to see. Let's pour some more in. Okay, so what do you think's happening? It probably is going to go brittle. It's shrinking, and then what's happening now? I'm taking it out. Growing. Okay, so why?
Because the air is being liquidized.
The air is being turned into liquid, and what's the difference in terms of what the particles are doing when it's a gas to when it's a liquid? Jess?
In the particles in a gas are like much further apart, and in a liquid they're generally much closer.
Excellent. So if I cool this down, the particles have got less energy, they move around much less, they come closer together, and therefore the volume of the balloon decreases. Okay, so let's try it again. guy. Could you go into Dr. Hinshelwood's lab and just get some lab specs, please? It's the lab just across there.
They're just there.
Right? Yeah, I think they've run out, haven't
No,
they?
there's actually 2 boxes.
Oh, it's all right. They'll find one. Okay. So that's what happens with the balloon. What else have you got? Have you done this one? No.
What is that?
What is it?
It's a piece of rubber tubing, but I don't really want it to fly everywhere.
What is it?
How's
It's
it
gonna
going?
fly.
Okay, so piece of rubber tubing. Don't clean glasses on and can tell me what are the properties of this piece of rubber tubing? Okay, physical properties. Yeah, it's quite stretchy. So it's okay. It's kind of orangey colour. So we're going to see. Okay. What do we reckon's going to happen then?
It's gonna fly.
It's only got pack on fire.
It's going to hit me in the eye.
Okay. Where's my hammer gone?
It's not rubber.
Everyone get down.
It's basically what you could hear what kind of sound it made. Okay.
It's like brick.
It's like brick. It's gone really brittle. Okay. So it's like it's gone really hard. And it's just smashed up again, which is not what you'd expect from a piece of rubber. Okay, so are we going to make some ice cream then?